Hi, my name is Marcus and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be taking a look at the STARTRC brand tablet holder for the DJI RC-N1 remote control. This is the remote control that's used on the Mavic 3, the Air 2S, the Mavic Air 2, and the Mini 2 drones. This tablet holder is designed for tablets that are 10.1 to 11.5 inches wide. Right now I have it mounted to the iPad Pro tablet. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing of this product. This STARTRC tablet mount for the DJI RC-N1 controller includes a Sun Hood for 10.1 to 11.5 inch tablets and sells for around $55 at the time of this video. A $40 version without Sun Hood is also available for phones and tablets between 4 and 11 inches. First we have this part right here. This is what the tablet is going to hold on to. As you can see, it has nice curved shapes on either end to hold the tablet in securely. In this package is a connector to fasten the tablet holder to the tablet mount on the remote. And we have a USB cable that has USB-C on both ends to connect between the RC-N1 remote and the tablet. And there's a USB-C to Lightning cable that's included. And that's it for package number 1. In package number 2, we have the heart of the unit. We got 2 items here. The first is the mount that will connect to the RC-N1 remote. It has a threaded hole in the bottom, as you can see. And it's collapsible, so this part right here can store away to a smaller size, and then it pivots out for use. And this part here just goes around the RC-N1 controller and will snap into place, holding it securely. And we have this lanyard strap that you can put around your neck to help carry some of the weight of the tablet and the RC-N1 tablet holder. Here are some basic instructions that are included. They are two-sided, so we have multiple languages. And this is the second instruction sheet. And lastly, we have the SunShade hood, which folds out and you can slide a tablet in, which is anywhere from 10.1 to 11.5 inches wide. Let's go ahead and mount up these items to the RC-N1 control. So first I am going to connect to the included USB-C cable. I connect it to the back of the RC-N1 remote control on one end, and we'll be attaching the other end to my tablet in a future step. Alright, next we have the mount itself. So this just slides around the back. This is a very similar mount to what you'll see on the DJI website for sale. The only difference is the one on the DJI website does not have a spot for the lanyard mount. And as you can see here, it just wraps around the RC-N1 remote control. And then you push down on the top. And then the two halves will snap together. Sometimes it takes some positioning to get them to snap in. Next we need to take the included connector and slide it down the remote control mount. And then after that's on, we'll take the tablet mount itself and it snaps over the ball. And then you'll slide up the connector and tighten it to the top tablet mount. Alright, so that's what it looks like assembled without a tablet attached. Here I'm rotating the tablet holder to a position to hold my iPad Pro tablet. And then I'm grabbing my iPad Pro. This is the 2021 model, the 11-inch. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the USB-C cable to the iPad Pro 11-inch. Slide the bottom of the iPad Pro into the tablet mount. And then I'm pulling the opposite end of the tablet mount to extend the spring until it reaches over the top of the iPad Pro. So here you can see it is pretty securely mounted to the RC-N1 controller. It's not going to pop out or come off. Next, I will illustrate how to mount the tablet into the StartRC Sunshade hood. So here we just basically need to slide the tablet, which is a 10.1 to 11.5 inch tablet, into the grooves at the bottom of the Sunshade hood. So here you can see close up the 4 grooves that hold the Sunshade hood to the tablet. And there's a slot in the side that will allow us to connect our USB cable to our tablet. So here I'm sliding my iPad Pro to the bottom of the StartRC tablet holder and then extending the other end over the top of the tablet. There is this flap on top to allow you to stick your hand in there to assist in connecting the tablet to the StartRC tablet holder. And then we just need to plug in our USB cable. Now this is the optional lanyard mount. This lanyard is not for the purpose of holding the tablet hands-free. If you do that, the tablet's going to flip over and kind of point down towards the ground, and the RC-N1 remote control will be closer to you because it's very top-heavy. The purpose of this is just to assist in carrying the weight of the tablet and the remote controller and the Sunshade hood when you're walking around. It's not meant to keep them stable and allow you to have both hands free to do other things. So here all we need to do is connect the connector over the loop that is on the StartRC tablet holder. So here's what it looks like when it's all completely assembled. This mount is really secure to the remote control. The way it wraps around the RC-N1 and snaps in place keeps it from falling out. Beware of some of the other tablet mounts that are out there that will mount in the location where your phone normally would mount. That's not as secure, I don't believe, and you potentially, when you're moving it sideways this way or that way, there's going to be enough weight and leverage because of the top heaviness of it, where that might pop right out of the holder. So this is a really good tablet holder that's going to stay on the controller and not fall off. Also, the tablet itself is really well fastened to the mount. It does have a curved surface right here, so that shape of that part is this way, so that it cannot just slide off. I've seen some out there that are a little bit more flat or have a little piece of rubber that potentially it wouldn't take much for that just to pop out. But this one here, we can hold it upside down, left, right, sideways. You know, it's not going to pop the tablet out. Your tablet is secure. So if you have a really big investment like I do in this iPad Pro, you don't want it falling off the control. So I would highly recommend this if you're interested in a tablet holder for your RC-N1 remote control. For more information about this tablet holder, there's a link in the description to Amazon where this tablet holder can be purchased. If you liked this video or found it useful or helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.